The sun's up in the sky shining bright. FZR's over here looking real pretty. And then we got some legends over here. This right here is gonna be, ooh, I can't wait to finish this one. A 04 R1 right there. This is legendary. This isn't your normal bike. Visibly a 2000, 2001. Looks like I've got a lot of projects on my hands, because I do. This one, real special. There's a big difference between this motor and this motor, which is that one's fuel injected. This was a 03 swap. See the dash there? That's a newer dash. So this bike is an animal. This was an old track bike. You could see everything's safety wired, steel braided lines, all this extra stuff. And it obviously went down. I actually dug a ton of dirt out of there to get to that. But the bike went down on track, a little light drop. You can see the fairings right there. I actually have a upper fairing. I think actually I have everything I need for this bike except for the handlebars. This is the replacement for my R6. I let go of the R6. My friends got it, they're about to ride it. This is replacing that. This is exactly the same form that I got my R6 in. So again, here we go, building up another project. Yamaha fiends, Yamaha boys. So last night I had to do a whole lot of running around to get the bikes from here, there, everywhere to the crib here. I've never really seen the OG R1 with a double bubble like this. It makes it look hella modern. But yeah, got a lot to do now. Well, that's not the way that I wanted to have the first ride, but okay. Lost the whole damn side fairing. Shit. Oh, it actually broke. Because I was going to say, okay, that's interesting. Womp womp. Let me just go to the land of the fairings and see if I got another lower left. I think we might have another one. Yep, right here. It's kind of clapped, but it's a fairing, so Jesus. Alright, well, we got a solution.
Damn, man, it's a very, very, very big difference between leader bikes and 600s. I mean, everybody does know that, but good Lord. Do a low speed clutch up and, leader bikes have enough torque to make the wheels spin, which is insane to me. So I'm really gonna have to learn how to wheelie a leader bike. Obviously, top speed shit everybody be out here doing, but it's a technique, and I think that I gotta I gotta figure that out. I need to wheelie everything. I didn't get a real successful test ride on this yesterday because the lower fairing right there, see that crack right here? It must have had a crack like that at the bottom, and the whole fairing ripped off. It was still, the top part was still attached to the mid fairing, but the whole rest of the fairing was gone. This is really gonna be the official test ride of this thing. It's gonna be kind of packed. What up, though? It's the Universal motorcycle. What up, though, right there. And I really like these gloves. I just got these. These are fire, actually. They got the knuckle in here, but they got the, the padding on the fingertips. That's what I usually use for my brake and clutch. Shit's fire. I like them. I'm actually gonna get another pair because I wasn't sure I was gonna like these. Usually I go mismatch, so I'm gonna get another pair of these just so I can mix match it up and stay with the brand. You know what I'm saying? I gotta stay on brand with this. There we go, bicycle parking.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, shit. And tell me what's wrong here. You're paying attention. For those that ain't paying attention, let's see if we can find it in the footage, and we're gonna rewind that and put that about right here. So that's an issue, and as you've seen the footage review in the future, I'm headed back. I gotta check the footage to see where it came out.
Trans pulling up behind me thinking I got a problem. Nope, I just had to find my motorcycle key. Oh, yeah, you're good. Go ahead. Oh shit, we found him, cuz! I'm so hyped. Oh, I'm so hype about this. Now to try to enter the freeway. Oh, I'm super juiced. Oh, he's protecting me. Good money. That's what's up. I fucks with that Caltrans, man. Oh, I'm juiced. Super juiced. Yes.